Today I will show you how to deploy this character AI project I've been working on called AetherChat. It can be deployed either locally or remotely on various platforms such as Vast.ai.
What is this? A chump trying to talk to me like we're plans? Get down on your knees and show some respect, puny creature. I am Power, the most evil, powerful, and awesome devil in all of demonkind. You should be grateful I even notice your existence.
First, we will download the setup script from my GitHub repository. You will find the link in the video's description. Next, we'll open our instance into Jupyter's file browser from the instance page on Vast.ai. Then we will drop the setup script that we downloaded into the file browser. Then we will open a terminal window from Jupyter. Type chmod plus executable.sh. This gives the setup script execution permission. Then type /setup.sh and press Enter. We will wait for the script to complete without error. Depending on your network speed, it may take quite a while. After the script completes, you see instructions for activating the conda environment. Go ahead and paste both of these commands into your terminal. You will see AetherChat appear in the command line, indicating that the conda environment is active. We will then type the command python webserver.py to start the main application. You should see the application start and indicate that the web server is active on local port 8081. We will need to open another Jupyter terminal and activate the Kobold API, which our application will be calling for chat completion. The setup script has downloaded Kobold and an example model. You can use any large language model of your choice. You can find many examples on Hugging Face. In our new terminal window, we will type cd space, Kobold, being mindful of the capitalization of the K. This will place us in Kobold's working directory. I will provide the command that I am pasting in the video description. Just place your own model in the models folder and substitute the name in the command, or use the one provided and the provided command. Paste this command into the window and press Enter and watch for the application to state that it is active on local port 5000. The application is now running. If you deployed the script locally, you can open a web browser and go to localhost port 8081, and the website should load. If you are on Vast, you will need to check which port is mapped to port 8081, and we will copy the port and IP address to our browser window. When setting up your template for deployment, it is important to ensure that port 5000 and 8081 are configured to be open. A pre-configured admin account has been set up. The login and password are admin and admin. Users can create accounts using a simple login and password. For the admin account, you will find an admin dashboard tab in the side panel of the My Library page. Here you can administer users, adjust user credits, edit or delete user-created characters, etc. A variety of pre-configured characters have been provided, but it is much more fun to create your own. You will find a character creation panel from the side panel in the main menu. You will need an avatar image, a background image, or video, an RVC voice model, which can be downloaded from voice-models.com. You will need to extract the files from the downloaded archive. You will have a .index file and a .pth file. You may choose to use the voice model of another character by choosing Use Pre-existing Voice Model. You will also need to select a Microsoft Edge TTS voice from the list, which will be used for base voice synthesis. Here I demonstrate how to build your own character. If we do not like the way that it sounds, we can edit the character and tweak the voice until we are happy with the results. You will need to set a system prompt. This describes your character to the language model. You will also need to set some initial greetings, as many as you like, 1 per line. These are chosen randomly when starting a new chat instance. Then we will choose our voice models, our avatar image, and background video. We will set the pitch and rate for the RVC conversion. Ideally, the avatar image should be a square aspect ratio. The background image can be an image, a GIF, or an MP4 video. We will wait for all files to upload. It may take a moment depending on your network speed and how large your voice model files are. Once the character is created, it will appear on the main page for the user who created the character. The administrator must approve the character before it becomes public for all users. We can test the character by choosing it from the main menu. I am not happy with the way that the voice turned out, so I choose a different base TTS model for the conversion, and it sounds better. We make some small adjustments from the chat
You caught me
interface
at just
until
the right
we are
moment.
happy with the pitch. We can go back to the edit page to make these changes permanent. After editing our character, we return to the chat interface and to test and make final adjustments.
Hello, sugar. Kiss mark. Hey there, sweetie. Hugging face, it's so nice to have someone to chat with. What's on your mind? Want to dish about the latest Hollywood scandal, or maybe talk about something more meaningful? Winking face. I'm doing just fabulous, darling. I've been keeping busy, making movies, looking glamorous, all that jazz. But it's not all glitz and glamour, of course. There are times when it feels like the whole world is watching me, critiquing me. It can be exhausting, sweetie. That's why I need to remember to breathe, to find my inner peace. But for now, life is pretty swell. How about you, cutie? What's new in your world?
I am pleased with the final results. This project is an early development stage of a website that I am currently developing. I have decided to release it with payment and email authentication, removed to be enjoyed by the community. I will demonstrate the beta of the final website design. Leave a comment if you would like to join an open beta test for etherchat.org. The finished project has video chat. If there is enough community support, I will add video chat to this publicly available version and
Bow
update the
before me,
GitHub repository.
human. I
Here is a
am power.
demonstration of the video chat capabilities not available in the current version.
Nothing's up when you're as strong as I am. I can squash you like an insect under my heel right now, but I'll spare you. For now. You see, I'm not just a demon. I'm a god on the battlefield and a god.
I hope you enjoy this project. In the next video, I will show you how I made this project with the help of Kobold AI.